National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashland County, northeastern Knox County, southwestern Holmes County, and northeast Ohio until 4:30 a.m. At 3:46 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Loudonville and moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Nashville, Glenmont, Kilby. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now look